another great video. My name is Alex. I'm here with Juan Martinez, who is one of our technicians and team leads, who's been on the team for how long now?
5 years.
5 years. We're doing some final validation testing in this blue Exorcist that Juan built, and we're going to be making sure that it's good to go for the customer. Juan, thanks for joining me. It's great to have you.
It's good to be
Can't
here.
believe it's been 5 years. We're getting old. You're getting old, mostly. I feel like still young, but...
I feel old.
Okay, now that this Exorcist is warmed up, we've got plenty of heat in the oil and in the transmission. We're going to do some testing on it, make sure it's ready to go. So we're on the back of the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and we're gonna make a full throttle pull. And here we go. Exorcist is performing very nicely. 10 speed in the Camaro is fantastic. You're always in the right power band. It's very, very nice. It feels very dual clutch-ish, but it's not. And it's certainly not as expensive as the dual clutch. The Gen 6 Camaro, it's kind of nearing the end of its life cycle, and the Exorcist will be along with it nearing the end of production. So this is probably in the last 50 Exorcists that we're going to be building. So if you want an Exorcist, if you have a Gen 6 Camaro ZL1 or 1LE, get your order in now because we need to get that built. You're a tuner school grad. After you went to tuner school, you got hired here at Hennessey.
Keep learning and improving myself. Enjoy doing the things that I love to do. No stress on my mind.
Nice. Feels pretty good.
Feels powerful.
Well, how many people did we have when you started?
I think we had like 20
total in the whole company. Yeah, we've got a deep team, 80 plus people. It's crazy. Over 20 technicians now. When we started, you were one of like, what, 4 technicians?
I think it was 5.
5. Oh my gosh. If you want a job, definitely click our career page. Alright everybody, that about does it for this video. This blue Exorcist is ready to go for the customer. And Juan, thank you so much for joining.